Do you want to stay updated on all the latest Boston Bruins news and get exclusive analysis? Then, subscribe to our channel now and turn on notifications. Here, you won't miss any details about the games, plays, and behind-the-scenes action of the season. Join our community of fans. Fourth line shines and powers Bruins road win against the Avalanche. The Boston Bruins' first road win of the 2024-25 season was filled with both promising signs and challenges. In their 5-3 victory over the Colorado Avalanche, the Bruins showed encouraging progress, but also faced some bumps along the way that nearly cost them the game. Here's what we learned from this important road win and what it means moving forward for Boston. The fourth line keeps rolling. One of the biggest surprises of the season has been the performance of the Bruins' fourth line, featuring Johnny Beecher, Mark Kastelic, and Cole Koepke. From the start of the campaign, this line has been a key part of the team, providing solid offensive production and consistent physical play. Even with frequent changes to the second and third lines, the fourth line has remained a reliable force for head coach Jim Montgomery. In the victory over the Avalanche, the fourth line picked up right where they left off. Cole Koepke opened the scoring with a deflection of an Andrew Peeke shot, and Beecher sealed the win with an empty net goal. Their ability to press the opposition and create quality chances was on full display once again, with Beecher setting a screen for Hampus Lindholm to extend Boston's lead. Montgomery praised the trio after the game. "This whole line has been incredible for us. They're the hardest workers and they earn everything they get." Indeed, the fourth line has outscored opponents 8-0 in 5v5 play this season, making the fourth line label feel inadequate for their impact. Montgomery even suggested that the team should stop calling them the fourth line, given their substantial contributions. The third line struggles with ice time. While the fourth line shines, the Bruins' third line continues to search for its rhythm. Against the Avalanche, Montgomery experimented with new combinations, moving Trent Frederic up to the second line alongside Brad Marchand and Charlie Coyle, and promoting Max Jones and Riley Tufte to the third line with Matthew Poitras. However, Tufte's two offensive zone penalties resulted in limited ice time. Jones, while delivering 4 hits and 1 shot on goal, didn't make enough of an impact to warrant more minutes. As a result, Poitras, who was effective in the face-off circle, saw his ice time reduced in crucial moments. Montgomery, known for rewarding effort and execution, was clear in his comments. "I've always been a coach that, if you go out there and play the right way and show effort and execution, you'll be rewarded with ice time." This suggests the third line will need to step up and work harder to secure their place, as players like Justin Brazeau and Morgan Geekie may be reinserted into the lineup for the next game against Utah. What to expect next? As the fourth line continues to be a cornerstone of the Bruins' success, Montgomery is still searching for the right combination for the third line. With player rotation and possible lineup changes, the upcoming matchup against Utah could bring new opportunities for adjustments. This road win, while not flawless, shows the potential of the Bruins this season. The ability to adjust the lines and find creative solutions, combined with the consistent performance of the fourth line, indicates that the team has the tools to face the challenges ahead. Did you enjoy our analysis? Then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss any exclusive content about the Boston Bruins. Share this video with your hockey fan friends and leave your thoughts on the fourth line's performance in the comments. Let's follow this exciting journey together. Thanks for being with us, and see you next time.